Hey, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie, and we're going to be doing some more mango tastings. We had some mangoes that we ordered through the mail from a different grower, so these are not our mangoes. And so when you pick them off your own tree, you know exactly when they're ripe, or at least we know how we like them ripe. When they're shipped from somewhere else, they have to pick them a little earlier, and sometimes they ripen perfectly, and sometimes they don't. So some of these I'm kind of guessing on. I think they're probably ready. If they're not, well, I'll do my best to let you know. We're going to start with this. This is the Aping. I know precious little about this one other than it is a nice big heavy mango.
Good smell?
Not much, but we're going to try it out. Very pretty color on it though.
Ooh, it's really pretty color. It's a good smell.
It smells
like a mango.
It's got that
Ooh, kind of like a fruit punch.
Yeah, a little
smell.
fruit punchy. It smells maybe a little underripe. I'm not sure. We'll see.
So it is still a bit green around the edges. So.
Yeah. You can see right in here, this looks a little green, especially right there. That's probably
like
could have used
this
another
one, it's
day.
all around the rim of it.
But I think it's going to be passable.
It's definitely like firm.
Go for it. I'm not allowed to try it first, or I get all kinds of horrible comments on how terrible of a human being I am.
Can I have a seed of this one?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
So it probably could have used one more day, but even without one more day,
it's like a classic mango flavor to me.
Mm-hmm.
Classic mango, but it does have. It's got a little something extra in there too, though. That's good.
It's got a little bit of the creaminess that coconut cream has. Do you not taste that in the center part?
What is it?
Like a little creaminess, that coconut cream at the end of the bite, like it kind of coats your tongue with this sweet.
Yeah, it's got. I don't know that I'd call that
A hint of
creaminess.
peach, yes, it does have some peach.
Well, to me, peach is kind of falls in the
I like when you swallow it.
standard
coconut?
mango that doesn't
Yeah.
taste like much of anything else. To me, kind of tastes like peach. This has got something a little. This is good. It's a very good mango. You can see when you see lots more toothpicks reaching in that it was a good one.
Yeah.
It's hard to put my finger on that one. It's got a. It's not much resin to it at all.
That bite was way more orangey than
It does have a
Same.
citrus
I totally
tones
agree.
to it for sure. Not strong citrus tones like a PPK or something like that, but it's
almost got a little bit of all the things from my favorite mangoes.
yeah. It's just a good blend. It's got a good like I said. I wish we had it. I'm gonna eat the least ripe part here and see if that
Makes a difference.
It's got the tiniest slight tinge of carroty flavor there, but not like the ones that taste vegetably. It's not like that. It is a sweet mango. It's good. And again, I was eating the least ripe part there. I can taste a slight carrot in there, but it is, I mean, way nowhere near objectionable. Some of the ones that are really carroty to me are disgusting. This is not at all. I really wish I could put my finger. This is like the first mango we've really tasted this year, and my palate has forgotten what mangoes are supposed to taste like. So
It's such a pretty mango.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because red ones Dad cut into was really pretty, and then the outside's nice and red.
Yeah.
A little bit of melon tones, very slight, a little bit of citrus. If you grab a plate, you grab her a plate, and I'll give you the seed.
I get a little coconut too. It's like at the end, like
Yeah.
once you
Yeah, I can
swallow
see a
it,
little bit,
Yeah.
coconutty kind of.
It's like right as
Like
you
a fruit
swallow it,
basket.
you can feel
like
it.
a fruit basket, exactly.
Yeah, this is a good, and it doesn't taste. It's not like a fruit punch that has, that tastes like a commercial fruit cup kind of flavor. It's not that, but it does have a lot of a blend of different flavors. If I had to put it closest to any one thing, I would say it tastes like the pears that you get in a fruit cup. Because it's got that blend. The texture to me tastes more like a pear texture, but it's got that sweet syrup kind of flavor that comes with it, but then it also has some other tones to it. None of those tones are really strong. It's not a strong flavored mango. It's again, maybe in another day or two this would have the flavor would have peaked a little more. But overall, very good. Beautiful mango, nice size. I don't know where Ah Ping comes from. It sounds Asian, but I guess
I
actually.
was thinking it was Hawaiian and it's named after a guy who grew it or something.
okay.
I could be completely wrong.
It does kind of look like a Hawaiian mango, but
Like I would plant a tree of this. To me, it tastes like if you mixed a Glen, a coconut cream, and a lemon meringue in the blender and drank the smoothie, that it would taste like
Yeah.
this.
so it's a good one. It's not. There's no real spiciness to it. There's no fiber. Texture is fantastic. It doesn't have a single. It's kind of a low toned. It tastes kind of like a blended flavor mango, which is not bad. And again, if this had had another day, it probably would have been even better and a little sweeter.
I would
So
plant one.
Celeste would plant one. I know that we're out of room, so I wouldn't plant one. But then there's nothing I would plant at this point. I don't think. Maybe
There's
top work
always
something.
room.
Maybe top work something. But anyway, yeah, I would give that. 7.5 to an 8.
I was saying 8.5 just because it's so pretty too.
Well, pretty
Like a
isn't-
red mango. I mean, you
Yeah.
can sell a lot of red mangoes. So.
Well,
Yeah.
Courtney, did you have a score?
Probably give it an 8.
8. Okay, so
Same.
okay, all around pretty good scores. That was the Ah Ping, and so if you get a chance to try one, we would recommend it. Pretty good. Well, there's your proof that it was good. The seed has been chewed down to the seed, so very good. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to